welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. I hope you really enjoyed the last 2 days and you had some fun time with your child or children and you saw them smiling and be more happy and be more relaxed. So you had some fun things and you also planned some fun and nice activity for yourself to experience the emotion happy more often in your life, because this being a happy parent or feeling the emotion more often helps you to become a better version of yourself, and this has a big impact on your whole family. So take time for yourself and make sure that you also take time to enjoy and feel the happy emotion. Okay, today I promise to talk about research, because what does research show who experience the emotion happy more often than other children? Well, research shows that happy kids deal with their emotions better than other kids. You can see this that you can see that research shows that they can solve their problems quicker. They come up with solutions so much sooner than other children, and they help um, and they deal positively with change. So when something changes in their life, it's okay for them. It's more okay for them because they have this positive energy in their body still, and they can deal with this change positively. So that's why it is so important um, to have these experiences, and that's why I decided to talk about this twice, 2 times this week, so that you will really take this time this week as a week to remember to experience the emotion happy more often for yourself, for your partner, for your child, for everyone around you, but especially for yourself to become a better version of yourself, and for your child, so that it will gain energy and can recharge its battery, and it can deal with the problems better than other kids. It can help come up with solutions sooner. It can deal with change in a positive way. So again, for this week, homework, still keep looking at your child, looking at yourself, see what gives energy, what gives you this positive feeling of emotion. It can be so different for each person. For one person, it can be go outside for a walk. For another person, it can be just stay inside and just relax. For another one, it can be reading a book. For another one, it can be just going outside with friends. Everyone and every person, every child, every situation is unbelievably different. So always look at your own situation and find out for yourself and your child what brings this positive energy in your life, and enjoy this moment. Stay in this moment, enjoy it, and take it in and do it more often, not only for this week, for the coming weeks, months, and years. Make it a habit to plan things to recharge your own battery and the battery of your child or children. Okay, that's it for today, for this week. For now, I like to remind you that there will be a workshop on the March 15th of this year. So in a few more weeks, there will be a workshop on emotions and boundaries with children. And I hope to see you there. It'll be online so that you can see it. You can follow this. It will be from 8 till 9:30 p.m. Amsterdam time. So you can, I hope to see you there. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at info@icaptainofmyship.com. Don't forget the I, captain of my ship.com. Okay, that's it for today. Talk to you later. Bye bye.